little word to say hi to our guests. Come on. I know Brandon is a little bit like shy, but come on, Brandon. You got this. Hi everyone. Oh, so they were telling me that they're like reserving their messages in a bit. So bear with me. We're gonna start like really soon. So just like so to everyone that brings like diaper, we're having a diaper like raffle. So you can like put your name here and you just put it there in a box. And then so any paper, I got like some pencil here. Extra pencil here if you want guys to guess. Yeah. And then we don't have, I don't think we have like enough like paper, but I could like, we can just put it in here on the back. So. You can use this. So just come here if you guys don't have any paper to write your guess. Alright, so we can have like Eloisa, or like we're just gonna have them like choose whatever they want to get, whatever they want. That's the poop. Who's full of poop? Alright, have it over. You guys, don't be shy. You guys are full of poop. I do not say that word. Yay! Look at that! How can he be so lucky he just got here? Come on, guys. Alright? And you guys can pick whatever you guys can choose from one of this. Alright, so let's start. You could like grab any gift. Wow, congratulations! Everybody does like a guess. What is Eloisa's belly size? If anyone, we got like more pencils here. We got more paper. And then just put your name at the bottom.
Mabait yan naman ako nakalala.
I know we only get like this, like chocolate here, so I can like.
Your husband is there now.
Gonna win, but I said, or you guys can wrestle, get this chocolate, or whatever. It's like I said, share calories with everybody who's ever gonna win.
It is sit over there.
So let me just sort this out real quick, guys.
They won.
How many points?
Like three. America was unbelievable.
Yeah.
They blocked the field goal. It was amazing. They came back and won. I'll get something to drink. Get something to drink.
So the number of candies in here is 15. She got it as well as Patty. Patty and who else got 15? Alright, come over here guys for 15. So I got it in
She
here.
said 16.
15 or 16?
15. Yeah.
Here, put him over here.
We're gonna keep more away like the closest I think. We're gonna get whoever got 14 and 16. 14 and 16, please. 14, 15, and 16. Please come over here and choose your prize, please. 14, 15, and 16.
Ito, alam mo na pinunod, natulog ako.
And then, we just gave a candy. She said, I don't want candy. She's too... this one is from Max, Ponya, and Dennis. Thank you so much, guys. You guys can open what else she had. Alright, it looks like there's plenty of baby clothes. Thank you so much. Some swaddle. And more baby clothes. Thank you.
What'd you get?
That's for here. But we have a baby carrier. That is nice. Some more diapers. Wipes. And I think and this. So they could put it on their car. Okay, thank you so much for giving this.
There's Max! There he is! Where's Max at? There he is!
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
There he is!
Okay, this one is from Nikki, Brittany, Carrie, did I say it right? Carrie and Becky. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, there's a co-worker. Thank you so much. This is a nice one. So we got here, some baby bottles, some newborn clothes. That is so cute.
Hey, where's Max at? There he is!
And I know you guys know where, I know there's like some of these kids and I know you guys wear diapers as well. You guys know who you are. Thank you so much. Oh, this one too is good. Food and cleanser. Oh, this is like where you put like the baby bottles when you're drying it. Drying rack, yeah. This is foldable as well. Oh, this one is like you put like on like the cabinets, like this. So it was like so they can open it. This is very helpful, when, especially when your baby's starting to like crawl, walk. Very good. Thank you so much. That would be really helpful. And more baby books. Thank you so much. And this is from her too, right? And then we're gonna open this one as well.